Alright everybody, we just got in our new project. This is the new house we're gonna have to build. We're gonna have to do it fast and effective. Are you guys ready? Yeah, let's do it. Teamwork. Here you go, Kai. Your new toy. Whoa.
Amazing!
Alright everybody, we just got in our new project. This is the new house we're gonna have to build. We're gonna have to do it fast and effective. Are you guys ready? Yeah,
Here
let's
we
do
go!
it. Teamwork. Alright guys, let's get started. Let's get to work. It's great, everybody. We did it.
Woohoo! High five!
Great job.
Hi guys, we're here.
Are you ready to see your house?
Yes, we're so ready.
It looks amazing.
I can't wait.
Let's do it.
Wow! That's amazing.
Do you guys love your home?
We love it. Can we go inside?
Let's check it out. Do you love your new home?
Yes, it's amazing. You guys did a great job.
We set it up with music. Are you guys ready to dance?
Yeah, let's dance.
It's a dance party, show off your moves. Living it up in the living room. Jump like a bunny, up and down. Now spin around. Wow! Stomp your feet like a dinosaur with a big loud dino roar. Slide to the left, wiggle to the right. Dance all day from morning till night.
We worked up a sweat. Did you guys love that?
Yeah, that's amazing.
We hope you guys love your new home.
Woohoo! Can we get a hug?
Yeah. Remember everybody, stay safe. Make sure you subscribe to Like Kitus and watch all the videos.
Yeah, like kindness.
Like and share. Thanks everybody. See you next time.
Woohoo! Go faster! Yeah, this is awesome. We have our own swing in our new house. Yeah, look at me, I climbed the tree. Woohoo!
Potty!
Time to wash my hands. Yay, now I'm clean. Let's
The
see.
tablet is on.
Let's see what I need.
Let's find a recipe on the tablet. When you hear the timer, dinner is ready.
Let's check the fridge, see if we have everything we need.
There are so many yummy foods in the fridge. Dance, bang, bang, bang on the pots and pans. Making something new with friends. Yum, yum. All together, let's stir up the fun. Eggs and bananas, butter and jelly, ketchup and flour, milk and spaghetti. Mix it all up with a big, big spoon to serve it to friends and family too. Ooh, that's pretty yucky. Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Let's get